Namaskar, this is Seshu Chira. I welcome you all to Hamska Academy. Now we are going to discuss about the Indian states. Yes, the number of states in India, who are the present chief ministers of that particular state, governors of that particular states, and we will also discuss the boundaries of the states. As most of the online examinations as well as the entrance examinations are going to be commenced very soon, I thought of making a video on the standard GK bits, which will be helpful for most of the students who are appearing for intermediate and also for the entrance examinations of the graduation and also for SSC examinations, RRB examinations and various other examinations. So I wish you all the best and hope this will be helpful for your exam preparation. So as you can see here, Indian states, capitals, chief ministers, governors in 2020. I have made a table here, the state, the capital, the party to which the chief minister belongs to, governor, chief minister and the borders of the state. We'll go in the alphabetical order. So let us see here. First, the state is Andhra Pradesh. The capital proposed is Amravati. The party to which the chief minister belongs to is YSR Congress Party. The governor of Andhra Pradesh, Biswabhushan Harichandan, and the chief minister is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, and the borders are Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Telangana. So the state of Andhra Pradesh is the bifurcation of United Andhra Pradesh happened. So Andhra Pradesh need to have a new capital, that is Amravati. It is a proposed capital. So the chief minister is Jagan Mohan Reddy and the governor of Andhra Pradesh is Biswabhushan Harichandran. And the borders it shares with Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Telangana. Similarly, the second state you can see here, that is Arunachal Pradesh. As we know, it is a northeastern state. The capital is Itanagar or Itanagar. The party from which the chief minister Pema Khandu is from Bharatiya Janata Party BJP, and the governor is Brigadier B.D. Mishra, who is a retired military officer. It shares boundaries with Assam and Nagaland. So the chief minister of Arunachal Pradesh is from BJP party and his name is Pema Khandu. Coming to the third state, Assam, the capital is Dispur and the chief minister is Sarbananda Sonowal and the governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Sarbananda Sonowal is also from Bharatiya Janata Party BJP. It shares boundaries with Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Bihar. The capital of Bihar is Patna and the chief minister of Bihar is Nitish Kumar. The governor is Phagu Chauhan and Nitish Kumar belongs to Janata Dal Party. The Bihar shares boundaries with Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. The next state, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh, the capital is Naya Raipur or Bilaspur. Here we have Congress party in power. So Bhupesh Baghel is the chief minister and Anasuya Uke is the governor. It shares boundaries with Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh. Next, moving on to Goa. Goa's capital city is Panaji and here we have Pramod Sawant as the chief minister and he belongs to Bharatiya Janata Party. Here the governor is Satyapal Malik. It shares boundaries with Maharashtra and Karnataka. Then we move on to Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar, and the Chief Minister of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani. He is from BJP, and Acharya Devvrat is the governor. Gujarat shares boundaries with Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Then we have Haryana. Chandigarh is the capital, and here we have Manohar Lal Khattar as the Chief Minister, where Satyadev Narayana Arya is the governor. It shares boundaries with Punjab, Himachal and Rajasthan. Now, moving on to Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh, the capital is Shimla, and the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, Jairam Thakur. The governor is Bandaru Dattatreya, and Himachal Pradesh shares boundaries with Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab and Haryana. Jharkhand. Jharkhand's capital is Ranchi, and the Chief Minister is Hemant Soren, where he is from Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, and the governor is Draupadi Murmu. Governor is Draupadi Murmu, and it shares boundaries with UP, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and West Bengal. Then we have next the state of Karnataka, where the capital city is Bengaluru, where the CM is from BJP, BS Yediyurappa, and the governor is Vajubai Rudhabai Wala. The state Karnataka shares boundaries with Goa, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Coming to Kerala, the Kerala state capital is Tirunanthapuram, and the Chief Minister is Pinarayani Vijayan. He is from Communist Party of India, and here we have Governor Arif Muhammad Khan. Kerala shares boundaries with Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Madhya Pradesh, the capital is Bhopal. The leader is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the Chief Minister. He is from BJP. Anandiben Patel is the governor. It shares boundaries with Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan. Coming to Maharashtra, the capital is Mumbai. The CM is Uddhav Thackeray. There is a coalition between Shiv Sena, CPI and NCP and also Congress. So the governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari Vas. It shares boundaries with Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Goa. Then coming to Manipur, the capital is Imphal. Here we have Biren Singh is from Indian National Congress as the CM. Najma Heptullah is the governor, and it shares boundaries with the states of Nagaland, Mizoram, Assam. Moving on to Meghalaya, the capital is Shillong. Here the CM is Conrad Sangma. He is from National People's Party, and the governor is Tathagata Roy, and it shares boundaries with Assam. Mizoram, the capital is Aizawl. Here Zoramthanga is the Chief Minister. He is from Mizo National Front, and the governor is P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Here Mizoram shares boundaries with Assam, Manipur and Tripura. Coming to Nagaland, the Nagaland capital is Kohima, and the Chief Minister Nepiu Rio is from Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party, and the governor is R.N. Ravi. It shares boundaries with Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Manipur. Odisha. Moving on to Odisha. Odisha, the capital is Bhubaneswar, and here we have Naveen Patnaik as the Chief Minister. The governor, Professor Ganesh Lal Mathur, and Naveen Patnaik belongs to Biju Janata Dal Party. Odisha shares boundaries with Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Coming to Punjab. Punjab has capital Chandigarh. Haryana also shares the capital, and the chief minister here is Captain Amrinder Singh. He belongs to Indian National Congress, and VP Singh Badnoor is the governor. It shares boundaries with Chandigarh, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and Rajasthan. Then moving on, we have Rajasthan. Capital is Jaipur. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot from the Indian National Congress, and the governor Kalraj Mishra. It shares boundaries with Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab. Sikkim. Capital Gangtok. Here we have the Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang. Sikkim Krantikari Morcha is a party, and the governor is Ganga Prasad. They share boundary with West Bengal. Moving to Tamil Nadu, the capital is Chennai. The Chief Minister name Yedapadi K. Palaniswamy. The governor Banwarilal Purohit. Yedapadi K. Palaniswamy belongs to All India Anna Dravida Munetra Kajagam. In short, AIADMK. Tamil Nadu shares boundaries with Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Moving to Telangana, the capital of Telangana is Hyderabad, and the Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. He belongs to Telangana Rashtra Samiti, and Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan is the governor. Telangana shares boundaries with Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Moving to Tripura, capital Agartala. Biplab Kumar Deb is the Chief Minister from BJP, and Ramesh Bais is the governor. It shares boundaries with Assam and Mizoram. Moving to Uttar Pradesh, capital is Lucknow. Yogi Adityanath, the party name Bharatiya Kranti Dal, and Anandiben Patel is the governor. Uttar Pradesh shares boundaries with Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Haryana and Jharkhand. Uttarakhand, the capital is Dehradun. Bharatiya Janata Party Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat. Baby Rani Maurya is the governor. Uttarakhand shares boundaries with Uttar Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. In the last, West Bengal, the capital is Kolkata, and the Chief Minister is Mamata Banerjee. She is from All India Trinamool Congress. Jagdeep Dhankar is the governor. West Bengal shares boundaries with Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar and Sikkim. Now moving on to the Union Territories. Coming to the Union Territories, the Union Territories have a capital and they are administered by the Union Government. So they will have the Union representative here. So Andaman and Nicobar, the capital is Port Blair, and the governor is Sri Devendra Kumar Joshi, is a lieutenant governor. Coming to Union Territory Chandigarh, the capital is Chandigarh, and the governor is Sri VP Singh Badore, is the administrator. Coming to Dadra, Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu, the capital is Daman, and the administrator is Sri Praful Patel. Coming to Delhi, the capital is New Delhi. Sri Anil Bajaj is the lieutenant governor. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar is the winter capital. Jammu is the summer capital. And here we have Sri Girish Chandra Murmu as a lieutenant governor. Lakshadweep, Kavaratti is the capital, and Sri Dineshwar Sharma IPS is the administrator. Puducherry capital Puducherry, and the governor is Dr. Kiran Bedi IPS, lieutenant governor. And the last newly formed Union Territory, Ladakh, Leh is the capital, and Sri Radhakrishna Mathur will be the lieutenant governor here, since Ladakh has been declared as Union Territory. So I hope you all will gain from this video. By watching this video, you can make certain key points, notes, who is the chief minister, who is the governor at present, what are the new union territories that are being made, and it will be useful for your exam preparation. I wish you all the best for your upcoming all recruitments and hope you will crack the exams very well very soon. All the very best to all of you. Thank you.